adventure. You guys, so me and Wendy are on the flight. We're going to San Fran. And so we were on a flight this morning. It was supposed to leave at like 8 o'clock in the morning because you don't want to get on an airplane that's been ripping and running all day. And so our flight got delayed until like 3 o'clock from 8 a.m. And of course, me and Wendy were upset about it. But I said, you know what? Let's just have a good day still. And they told us it was like maintenance issues with the plane. So we'd rather y'all fix it than put us on a raggedy plane. And so they gave us a new plane that's much bigger than the plane that we were going to originally be flying. And so Wendy got upgraded into like not first class, but like the tier after first class when you're flying like a big plane. Like the planes that like go overseas and stuff, they have like first, and then they have like business, I think, and then they have like economy plus and then economy. And so I usually fly, like when I'm flying overseas, I fly business because first seats be a little pricey. But anyways, Wendy got upgraded and I didn't, which is fine. I was only sitting like a row or two behind her. Wendy got to chit-chatting with somebody, and then we both got upgraded. They told me to come move right on, and I said, I'm coming. You still need your mama, y'all. You still need your mama. If your mama is around, give her a hug. You still need them for things. So we're just waiting to leave now. We should be leaving in a little bit. Ooh, I wonder what snacks they have on here. I said, I wonder what snacks they have on here. We're flying United. We're typically strictly Delta people. But the thing with Delta, when you go to the West Coast in the US, is they never have direct flights. Like to go to San Francisco, we were probably going to have to connect in Denver. And I'm like, I just want to get on that airplane, go up, and come down one time. I don't want to go up and down, up and down, up and down, you know? Tell you, Wendy is a good luck charm from now on. She's the person to travel with. So I told you guys how on the flight, Wendy got upgraded because they had to change our flight, which was a blessing in disguise. They had to change our flight. We get to the hotel, and so the lady at the front desk is nice. We're staying at the JW Marriott, which the first time I stayed at one was when I went to Ulta Beauty World in Orlando, and I really like these. So I think that's gonna be like, you know how you like find a thing that you like and you just keep doing it. So anyways, we at the front desk, and the lady is like, oh, what are you in town for? And Wendy kind of paused for a second because I was like, I ain't about to say it. But see, blocking blessings, because I wasn't about to say nothing. And Wendy said, a funeral. And the lady goes, oh, I'm so sorry. And she get the click clacking. She said, I've upgraded your room. So let me show y'all the room.
To a bigger corner room.
To a bigger corner room. For more comfort, she said. Me and Wendy gonna be in here. We gonna be like Eloise in the plaza tonight. We ordering room service. And there's a nice little view too. My brother is coming too, and he's actually staying at the Hilton right there. But it's a nice little view.
And you got nice hangers, silk hangers.
You ain't had to bring the hangers out, Wendy. rookie move. I didn't what? No. Okay, you turn the air on. She's about to freeze me. I made a rookie move. I didn't pack my hair kit or like go through my hair stuff. I kept thinking I was forgetting something and I don't have a scarf. So I just braided my hair back how I usually do. But it's gonna be frizzy. I mean, it's already kind of frizzy. That's the good thing about I don't like my braids to look perfectly like slick and everything. If I have to sleep without my scarf or it gets a little frizzy, it's fine. Tomorrow I might go and get one. Maybe, and just like put it in my suitcase. And I lie. I do have one. I do have one. Cause I do that all the time. I do that. I did that. Yay! Victory! I do leave one in my suitcase for that reason. I leave one in my suitcase just for that reason. Good morning. We're on our way. Okay. We are on our way. We're going to get my brother. He's staying at a hotel down the street. And then we're going to this coffee shop I found online. I hope it's one, not super duper crowded, but it probably will be because right there by the Golden Gate Bridge. And two, I hope the coffee is actually good. But it's this coffee shop that's right by the Golden Gate Bridge and has a really nice view. Wendy, please be careful going down this little thing. Did you put the Waymo app on your phone?
No.
Y'all, so my brother is afraid of Waymos, and so I think that to this coffee shop we should get a Waymo. That's your head. You made it. Hey, I was just at your house.
Yes, you were. That's why she came to my house and went here. I didn't know what to order or nothing because I didn't know how soon. What time were we supposed to be at this other place?
At 1 o'clock. Oh, it says almost here. Oh, it says here. Oh, there it goes.
I was about to say, is that here?
Yeah. Yep, that's us.
Can't go nowhere.
Do y'all want to get in the front seat, back seat?
Uh-huh.
You want to get in the back?
I would like to get in the back.
Oh, wait. Let me see. Unlock. Okay. Go.
Niara got us in one of these Waymos. Oh, stop. Don't talk to me. Please take me where I'm supposed to go. All right.
Okay, put your seatbelt on, everybody. It's going to ask you to.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Okay, Niara, do you see a screen back there?
Yeah, it says start ride. You can do it up there, too.
I got it. That's my seatbelt.
Oh, Lordy.
Heading to Roundhouse Cafe.
Oh, there's nobody in front of us. Why is there nobody here?
Now, you thought I was a mess. That's who you need to be taping back there.
Oh, I am.
On the ride.
Oh, there's a lady. Does it know?
Yeah, babe.
Yeah, no.
Traveling with little ones.
The sun bright. Maybe it's bright. They can't see the sensors.
Instructions when
Oh,
instructed.
Lordy. Please keep your hand off the wheel.
We may use interior
What?
cameras to check on riders, improve our product, and
Oh, please don't hit these people.
It's not.
Do we get in trouble? Like if they hit somebody and we ordered the car?
No.
We don't get in trouble.
It's not
Oh,
our
okay.
car.
All right, I'm just making sure.
we can't. To speak
But I
to
can get
us
out at any time. So if I just, well, you gotta worry about that.
Just relax. And thank you for riding with us.
Oh, of course they did. Of course they knew what time it was.
Now he's relaxed. He's talking about the Pistons.
Oh yeah, straight.
Going to this place up here. It looks just like the pictures. Oh, that sounds good. If you're coming to San Francisco, I highly recommend going to this place. I think, is that it right there? Yes. Oh, it's right here. This place right here, the Roundhouse Cafe. You can sit, eat. It's like really casual, like a breakfast sandwich just wrapped up. You can eat it really quick. Bagels, cookies, muffins. They have good coffee, good matcha. But it's really nice and it's not super duper crowded. We came like right when they opened though, like around 8ish on Saturday. But it was really nice. You can walk around, come out here, take pictures with the family or whoever you're traveling with. We're about to go into this little like welcome center. They have like a little gift shop or something in here. Oh, family adventure. Be careful when it's a rail right here. Hold on. Okay. I'm just making sure. Be annoying. That would be annoying, I feel like. I'll do it one more time.
I don't see nothing. See nothing but the trees.
Stop.
Okay, there we go.
On our way to ride the streetcar, and we're just gonna ride it for a little bit and then we're gonna go to dinner, but figured why not since we're here and we've seen so many of them.
Wendy said I'm not gonna